Ever wondered what it's like to explore Canada's first national park? Venture into Banff National Park, tucked away in the Canadian Rockies, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is a showcase of nature's grandeur wrapped in snow-laden peaks and crystal-clear lakes. Remember, capturing the park's beauty from a drone is not permitted, and violating the rules can lead to a substantial fine. Yet, there is an extensive array of beautiful sights to be captured on foot or via camera. Adherence to the wildlife rules ensures the park's fantastic wildlife remains unharmed. Dwellers of the park range from the majestic elk to the small yet charming pika, demonstrating a rich biodiversity. It's a paradise for those who find joy in wilderness, a hub for activities like hiking, camping, wildlife viewing, and mountain biking. The park offers an array of trails with varying difficulty, ensuring every visitor, whether a seasoned adventurer or a city dweller seeking solace, finds something to enjoy. Banff National Park is not just a place, it's an experience. It promises an unrivaled fusion of adventure, exploration, and tranquility. The park's charm is not limited to its natural beauty. It extends to its wildlife, recreational activities, and the sense of peace one derives from being amidst nature. Ready to lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails? Imagine yourself traversing through the lush green trails of Banff National Park. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is a haven for nature enthusiasts and offers a wide range of trails to explore. The park boasts of a rich variety of trails, each one catering to diverse fitness levels and tastes for adventure. These trails are not just paths, but gateways to pristine landscapes and awe-inspiring vistas. If you're an experienced hiker seeking a blend of adventure and beauty, consider the Plain of Six Glaciers Trail. This trail presents a moderately challenging, fascinating journey through the park's rugged terrains and stunning glacier views. The highlight of this trail is the majestic Victoria Glacier, a sight that would leave you spellbound with its sheer grandeur and beauty. For beginners or families with young children, the Tunnel Mountain Trail is a fabulous choice. This easier route rewards hikers with sweeping views of the picturesque Banff town, the serene Bow Valley, and the imposing Mount Rundle. These views serve as a gentle reminder of the breathtaking beauty that our planet has to offer. Highly recommended for those who savor the journey as much as the destination is the Johnston Canyon hike. Comprising of an easy to moderate hike, this trail walks you through a deep canyon, past cascading waterfalls, leading to the ink pots. These are a collection of 7 spring-fed pools of water, each having a unique shade of blue. It is a sight that feels like a painting come alive. While on these trails, bear in mind that the park is home to a diverse range of wildlife. It's paramount to respect the trails and stick to the designated paths so as not to disrupt the animal habitats. The park's rules are set in place to ensure coexistence between visitors and wildlife. Disturbing the trails could pose a threat to the wildlife, hence adhering to the park's safety rules, such as wildlife rules, is essential. So, are you ready to meet the wild inhabitants of Banff? Have you ever locked eyes with a wild animal in its natural habitat? Such a mesmerizing encounter awaits you in Canada's first national park, Banff. Imagine herds of majestic elks roaming the lush grasslands, their antlers silhouetted against the twilight sky. Picture a solitary black bear navigating the park's borders, a young cub following closely. The park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, filled with swift coyotes, imposing eagles, and inquisitive marmots. The best times for wildlife spotting are dawn and dusk, when the park's inhabitants are most lively. Whether an early riser or a sunset lover, seize these moments to witness these incredible creatures in their natural setting. Always maintain a safe distance and use binoculars or a telephoto lens for detailed. Your safety and the animal's well-being are of utmost importance. Hence, the park enforces wildlife rules, regulations that ensure a balanced coexistence. Experiencing the stunning wildlife at Banff isn't simply about seeing animals. It's an invitation to appreciate nature's grandeur, understand the intricate interplay ecosystems, and treasure these unforgettable encounters. Banff's tranquil lakes are calling out to you. Are you ready to dive in? Picture the tranquility of Lake Louise and Moraine Lake. Imagine a landscape where the pure air fuels your peace and the lakes mirror the blue sky. Welcome to Banff National Park, an epitome of untouched beauty. Lake Louise, and don't forget Moraine Lake, fondly referred to as the Diamond and Sapphire respectively, are the park's crowning glories. Lake Louise, where steep mountains meet the sky, offers a striking spectacle. Moraine Lake, sheltered by the Valley of the Ten Peaks, has its own unique allure. The lofty peaks reflect on the turquoise waters, constructing a captivating panorama. These aquatic paradises are not just viewpoints. They offer a plethora of activities, allowing visitors to interact with the tranquil surroundings. From soothing canoeing excursions to thrilling stand-up paddleboarding, there's an activity for everyone. Knowing the water rules is crucial for a safe venture. A shuttle service is conveniently available to transport you to these immaculate water bodies. For a hassle-free visit, it's advisable to pre-book the shuttle. These lakes stand as emblems of the peaceful appeal of nature. The sight of dawn's first light striking the waters or the sunset dyeing the sky in shades of red and gold are images that will leave an indelible mark on your mind. So, plunge into the calm of Lake Louise and Moraine Lake. Let their tranquility penetrate your essence. Their grandeur captivate your senses. The gentle ripples of these lakes are sure to leave you spellbound. And in that wonderment, find yourself desiring to contribute to the preservation of this extraordinary natural marvel. After all these adventures, are you ready to answer the call of Banff National Park? This isn't just a holiday spot, it's a tribute to the magnificence of nature. Banff is home to stunning mountains, lush green forests, and beautiful lakes, showcasing nature's inherent beauty. This charm isn't a given, it's a gift that needs our stewardship. At Banff, preservation is paramount, ensuring its lasting appeal. The park is an epitome conservation, fostering thriving wildlife, towering trees, and free-flowing rivers. However, such harmony calls for continued vigilance. Parks Canada guards this natural wonder, implementing rules like the drone ban to protect its ecosystem. Any violation leads to fines, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding the park. Parks Canada partners with Indigenous communities, strengthening ties with ancestral lands. This mutual respect celebrates the land and its original guardians. As visitors, we play a role in protecting the park. We must follow wildlife rules and prevent wildfires. Fee we pay aids its conservation, guaranteeing enjoyment for future generations. By visiting Banff National Park, you're not just witnessing its grandeur, but also helping its preservation. You become part of a global tribe that values nature, a tribe that understands the importance of preservation. So, let's continue to respect, admire, and preserve the natural wonder that is Banff National Park. So, are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Banff National Park, a UNESCO site in the Canadian Rockies, offers stunning beauty. Here, diverse wildlife, serene lakes, and mountains coexist. As a visitor, your presence aids conservation. Enjoy a spectrum of activities and warm stays. Complimentary rides to Banff Town and multiple recreations always keep you engaged. Banff National Park is waiting for you. Come and create unforgettable memories in the heart of nature. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Banff National Park. We hope this video has painted a vivid picture of the stunning beauty, thrilling activities, and the importance of conservation that makes Banff a unique destination. Inspired to plan your next adventure here, aren't you? We're sure the Canadian Rockies are calling you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides and virtual tours. Until then, keep the spirit of adventure alive. See you in the next adventure.